Today guys, meron tayong pag-uusapan one of those budget phone na feel ko okay na okay para sa inyong pocket, and I'm talking about the Oppo A57. I have this already for roughly 3 weeks here and I've been playing with it. Nilalaro ko, dala ko siya everyday out of my house, and well, ginagamit siya ko basically as my daily driver. And today, i-share ko sa inyo everything that I've discovered dito sa phone na ito, how good it is, how handy it is, how trendy it is. Tara, usap tayo. So hi guys, ako pa si Rich Mo, Gadget Sidekick, and welcome back to my channel. And this is the Oppo A57. And you can see that there's a lot of gadgets here na nakapalibot sa kanya. No? We'll be talking about them a little later. But right now, unbox muna tayo. So ayan guys, nakita na natin ang phone. This is the Oppo A57. And I really love the design. No? Matte finish ang kanyang likod. It's really simple, elegant, and very sleek ang kanyang design. And makita natin the camera module sa likod is only 2. Probably that would be the only thing that might hold you back if you're probably a camera lover. But I'll show you later some camera shots dito. Tignan natin, there's only 2 camera modules sa likod. And kinda looks like an Apple na camera module. Dalawa lang, iPhone 13. Only that, hindi lang siya individual ring. No? Pinagsama siya sa isang module. And what I like is kinda thin ang kanyang camera bump. Oh. Tignan nyo guys. Kasama ng camera, and included doon sa camera bump is ang kanyang LED flash. So, check na natin palibot na itong phone na ito. Ilalim meron siya audio jack, microphone in, Type-C port, and of course, ang kanyang loudspeaker. On the other side, meron kang fingerprint scanner / power button. Sa ibabaw, malinis. Sa kabila, ang SIM tray and of course, yung volume rocker. And opening the SIM tray, you can see that there's triple card slot, 2 nano SIM, and isang micro SD expansion. By the way guys, 4G capability itong phone na ito, it's still not 5G. Sa harap kita natin 8MP na teardrop notch. Since meron itong color-rich display technology na nilagay ni Oppo, no? So makita natin the images sa mga videos dito. Mas maganda, mas vivid ang kanyang color dahil sa kanyang bagong technology na nilagay dito ni Oppo. And dahil 600 nits ang kanyang maximum brightness, makita natin yung color resolution niya is definitely mas matingkad. Lalo na if you're a little bit under the sun. But of course, not the direct sunlight, no? Medyo lalabo na siya ng konti. But yung a little bit of sunlight, okay pa siya. Mababasa mo pa siya. But if yun talagang nakatodo na ang haring araw sa alas 12, grabe guys, medyo hihina na siya ng konti. Scrolling through social media, watching your favorite videos here is definitely a treat. Ang ganda ng kanyang resolution dahil meron nga sinabi ko color-rich display. And check natin ang DRM info. No? It was only able to get a level 3 na security level, meaning you cannot watch all their favorite HD on Netflix and on your favorite online streaming app. By the way guys, itong phone na ito, si Oppo A57 na may 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage would be retailing at 8,999. Links on the description below. So one of the things na gusto ko dito is meron siyang RAM expansion. You can expand up to 4GB of RAM dito sa inyong phone. So giving your gaming experience a little bit richer pagdating dito sa phone na ito. And this phone is currently running Android 12 together with the ColorOS 12.1. And I can say that itong OS na to is quite smooth. Maganda ka ng user experience dito. I didn't really have any much bugs. And okay naman ang aking user experience dito sa phone na ito. And itong phone na ito is packed with the MediaTek na Helio G35. Another thing na gusto ko dito sa Oppo A57 is dual speaker siya. It has a linear stereo speaker and one of them is down here and the other is hiding dito sa earpiece. And I was able to try it out and I can say na okay naman siya. Hindi naman siya super duper lakas. And gusto ko i-share din sa inyo kung how it sounded like dito. So pakinggan natin.
shit high, boy. Shawty catch a vibe, yeah, I had to put her on. Bought a two-seater, yeah, we headed for the sun. Shawty got my high, I ain't tripping for the funds. Yeah, I won't stop.
One thing that you'll notice when listening to Spotify or watching your favorite videos or just simply playing games is mas malakas yung tunog niya dito sa ilalim as compared dito sa ibabaw. Dahil siyempre mas malaki ang siguro yung speaker size dito sa ilalim as compared sa ibabaw. But nevertheless, it's okay. But if you want to have a richer experience listening to Spotify or probably playing games, tinry ko ito, no? Ito kay Logitech na headphones. It's a wireless gaming headphones. It's really light. I can say na super duper gaan niya. And what I like is sobrang ganda. Sobrang astig ka na color. Blue and pink plus purple na kanya ilalim. So this is called the Logitech G435 na gaming headset. And it's really nice. Really, sobrang gaan niya. I can say na it's probably one of the trendy na wireless gaming headset na ginawa ni Logitech. Able to pair it with this phone. And nilaro ko siya, no? Was able to give me a very nice game experience dito. The sound is great. Lalo sa Spotify. And, well, playing the game, I can say na okay siya. I can say na low latency siya. So, hindi naiwan ang iyong sound while playing the game. Pagdating naman sa gaming, I can say na it's okay. You can play games here on the Oppo A57, but you cannot set it to high graphical settings. Probably, pag sa medium pa lang, medyo mahirapan na siya. Siguro kung sinagad mo siya, baka ma-feel mo talaga mag-frame drop siya, eh maglalag talaga siya ng tuluyan, no? And I did try na isagad. So, na-feel ko, no, medyo uminit nga talaga na husto tong phone na ito. It reached around 44 degrees Celsius and quite hot, no, sa likod. And nung nilagay ko siya sa low graphical settings, I was able to breeze through yung game. Wala namang problema. Call of Duty Mobile, okay naman siya. And the display is nice. Yung touch response is okay naman. There are times na ma-feel mo parang naiiwan siya ng konti, but I don't really expect na I don't really expect that this phone is built for gaming, but it can game. No? Nung sobrang init na yung phone ko, I try to use some coolers here na I trust dito sa phone na ito. And this is one of the things that I trust. The Mimo na DL07. And there's another one which is called the Mimo DL05. Now, I did try them both. So, this is the DL05. Kita natin, design is pretty nice. And meron siyang pailaw pa na RGB. And this one is the DL07. And I feel na okay naman din siya equally. So, both of them, tinry ko dito sa Oppo A57. So, it's so easy to attach. All I need to do is just put it here. Salpak lang natin. And ganun lang. Okay? So, lalamig na siya. So, one of the things na wala dito sa phone na ito is to give you a reverse charging. So, all you need to do is, of course, to draw some external power from a power bank. And dito papasok ang itong power bank na i-recommend ko. No? And I got this from Shandy Masangkay, which is a XO na 80,000 mAh. It's a really huge battery pack na pwedeng bitbitin. No? Actually, sobrang siyang bigat. And you have 3 USB-A port and 2 USB-C port na palabas and 1 na micro USB na papasok. So, kita natin, no? May iba-ibang kidlat. So, probably, itong tatlong kidlat, mas mabilis magkarga. The dalawang kidlat, okay lang. Ito, mas mabagal. So, I did try. Probably this one is a pang iPhone, no? So, malalaman natin a little later. So, tinry ko siya kabitin. Like this. Okay? Kita natin, this is the DL07. So, kita natin, nagka-RGB siya, no? And it's quite cool, no? So, nung kinabit ko to sa likod ng Oppo A57, from 44, lumamig siya as low as 38 to 39, which is definitely great, though, kasi that's roughly 5 degrees Celsius na nilamig niya, letting you play the game through, siguro mga 3 to 4 hours, kayang-kaya, walang problema. And, yeah, kita natin, ganda ng kanyang pagka-RGB, no? It's really sturdy, and hindi siya, hindi siya yung nakakagasgas ng phone. It's really nicely built. So, kita natin na frost na yung likod niya, no? Yan. Ganun kabilis lumamig tong cooler ni Mimo. Okay? So, if you want to know where pwede mabili, I'll link it on the description below. Now, there are some phones na kaya mag-reverse wireless charging. All you need to do is just draw power from C to C para But meanwhile, dito kay Oppo A57, hindi na kaya. So, we'll be drawing power from this one. So, dito kay DL05, kailangan pumindot, no? Yan. So, kita natin na nung uminit siya, pag salpak natin, kita ko 44. So, right now, from 23 degrees Celsius, no, yung room temp nito phone na ito, kaya bumaba as to a 16 and even further lower pa nga. So that's how good this one is. So talagang lumamig siya ng husto. That's what I love about this cooler. Very efficient na kanyang cooling system dito, which is very, very sakto para sa Oppo A57. Now, checking the camera, itong phone na ito has only 2 camera sensor. 13MP na main sensor or 2MP na depth sensor. And sa harap meron siya 8MP na front-facing camera. So, tinry ko naman siya gamitin outdoors. I was able to draw in some really nice photos outdoors. And, well, I can say na okay siya, malinaw. But when you go indoors, there are some photos na okay. And there are some photos na hindi ganun ka-okay. But one thing na gusto ko dito kay Oppo is that ine-enhance niya yung lighting. And some of these photos are really dramatic. I really love it. And grabe, nagulat ako. This phone was able to take in some of these really nice shots. And yeah, to my surprise, the camera is pretty good. And of course, checking some selfie photos. Okay naman siya, outdoors, indoors. But there are some tendency na medyo namumuti-kunti ang aking photos. Siguro medyo in-enhance yan ng sobra-sobrang lightings. Kaya medyo mas maputi ang aking muka compared sa taking it with other cameras. But overall, I can say it's quite good. Now guys, what can I say about this one, the Oppo A57? After using it for 3 weeks, okay naman siya. I was able to enjoy using this phone. It's really something na budget-friendly, 8,999. Link on the description below. And I can say na you can bring this anywhere. Use it every day as your main daily driver. And what I like is very trendy siya. Likod niya is matte finish. It's really nice. Sarap hawakan. And definitely budget friendly. So guys, if you like itong review ko, don't forget to like, subscribe, click that bell icon para hindi naman miss ang mga future uploads ko dito sa aking channel. And so, ako pala si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Psychic. What's up?